Hey, we're Tom and Nora Dickinson, and for the past year, we've been traveling up and down Northern California and parts of Nevada to bring you great highlights of awesome independent pro wrestling. And guess what? We're just getting started. So we're going to continue to bring you great highlights of awesome independent pro wrestling action anywhere around Northern California and Nevada. We're going to show you exclusive, great interviews to our vlog, because we don't want you to watch independent pro wrestling sitting at home from here. We want you to watch this show sitting here, because you never know who might show up at these awesome NorCal or Nevada events and surprise everybody. And we want you here so you can watch the entire show and see everything that was going on. Welcome to Tom and Nora's Unauthorized Wrestling Highlight Reel.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Someone with a little bit of sense.
Here we go, baby.
All right.
All day long.
That's right.
DeSoul power.
That's right.
Yeah, baby.
That's right.
It's time, baby. Oh, yeah.
That's right. DeSoul, baby.
This song is fucking awful. What is this shit? Not Nickelback. Nickelback only makes good music. What did I say about doing that red shit? God damn it! It's already a fucking shit show at track 7. That's right.
Track 7 runs on DeSoul power.
What do you want from me? I'm either spitting whiskey or spitting beer. You know how this goes. God damn it. And this is how we're kicking things off.
Alright. I need one in.
Track 7, New Year's knockout. Knockback is going to have his hands full. Highway Council from right here in Sacramento. DeSoul Power Tripp.
Hey, hold your cone, motherfucker.
DPT. DPT.
Yeah, ding, 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 fuck the thing. This is a... Ding, ding, ding. Why is he wearing a tie? He's a good point. Cheema's wearing a tie. Tripp Rogers is wearing a tie. Tripp Rogers in a pink blazer looking like the highlighter nobody ever uses.
Oh, damn.
And
Wow.
you're definitely not a highlight of any kind. Is that THC that you're chanting? What are you chanting? THC, yes. High Council, yes. Dante Tripp of Butabi, the Brewing liability. Cheema with show strength. And tag to Mr. Backstage Pass. Wow.
Show him match done, Joe.
So Tripp Rogers looks like a fucking highlighter, and DeSoul looks like a cup. He looks like one of those paper cups. Another huge display of strength from the Punjabi Lion. And DeSoul is clearly frustrated, mostly in his own hairstyle. And there's a tag back into Johnny Trico Butabi. Okay, fuck you. I am not a shit stop the clock. Urging them to get back in the ring. 4 times the charge. That's not how that works. Sure it is.
Oh, there we go.
Avoid.
Taking you home tonight.
Oh!
Watch this, baby. Go!
The Punjabi Lion, who does not look amused. Look at the look on his face. He is pissed. He's fucking pissed, bro.
Right, 3 times the charge.
Irish Whip awareness. Huge shoulder tackle takes down Butabi. To the soul off the ropes. Off to the side.
That wasn't good.
Not a good idea to run a half mile before starting into Cheema. Uh-oh, the time came off. You know now he means business. Tripp Rogers fixing DeSoul's frosted tips. God damn it. Yeah, there, aren't they?
You had enough? No. Once you tag him, Sami Zayn, we'll see how it goes then.
He does look like Sami Zayn, now that you mention it. He does look like Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn. Mom, can I get Sami Zayn? But we don't have Sami Zayn at all. This is not Sami Zayn. But he's kicking the wrong back. Irish Whip. Body hit hard.
Good job, man. I need you a
Here
block.
comes Cheema.
Come on.
Irish Whip. Tackle. Down they go. Cheema in control of Butabi. That's Butabi in the corner.
No.
Oh my fucking God! Oh, and this band. Oh, the top of the head. And we're going. Wait,
You want
wait.
one?
I think it is.
Cheema in control, even dancing Butabi. You can't fucking blame him. Here comes Daredevil. Butabi in the corner. Splash from the Punjabi Lion. Daredevil forearm. Oh my God.
I didn't see anything.
Not cool, bro. Not cool. Not cool. Not cool at all. Your jacket's fucking awful. Shut up. Butabi in control. Sends Daredevil.
That suit costs more than what Vince paid for WCW.
The tag. Big Joe DeSoul right between the eyes of the Daredevil. I mean, it's okay. Diesel power. Tonight, track 7 runs on Diesel power.
That's right.
And now, why can't you hear me? God damn it. There's great. Yes, there's a tag. Here comes Butabi. Fuck. Irish wins. Here's that one for us. And double fist out. Right to the face. PP cover 1. And kick cover 2 says knock.
You should go 2 fresh chains.
There's a tag to DeSoul. Diesel in Diesel Power Tripp. Buries his knee right in Daredevil's chest. Tommy now. A leg breaker onto the knee into the cover. 1, 2. There we go. Count 2. Oh shit. Cheema's. Well, now. Punjabi Lion. Yeah, you fuckers in the corner. You cross-traded sons of bitches. DeSoul now, Irish whip out of the corner.
Diesel, baby!
That's right.
Why Diesel power?
One more!
All of them.
One more? You might see one more. Alright, that one was pretty good. That one was pretty good.
I believe it.
Fuck it. That was pretty fucking good.
She hit it harder and he liked it.
Daredevil stops himself. Daredevil connecting.
Dante cutter.
Show the song of fucking dead fish. Daredevil has to make the tag. Can he make the tag?
Oh!
This does not look good for these. Punjabi Lion! Sizing up! Turn the ball back! Tommy doesn't know what's waiting for him. Picks him up. Power slam. Wait, Joe DeSoul in the corner though. Cheema catches the kick. Spins him around.
Cheema. Cheema. Hell yeah, dude.
Holy shit, bro. That is how we
How you doing, Aaron?